to the channel. My name is Patrick, and we are doing another Pokemon video today. As promised in the last video, a few packs of Chillin' Reigns to go through today. We've got 8 packs in total. In search for that alternate art Blaziken. See if we can get that bad boy to pop up. Snorlax, welcome. As always, how are you doing today?
It's a little cold, but I'm doing good.
Great, glad to hear. So, only 8 packs today. This is the first video back. Full pack opening video back. So let's see if it treats us very well. If you enjoyed today's video, a like and subscribe is also always appreciated. Let's go ahead and jump straight in, see what we can get. These are coming out of a ETB that I had. So, ETBs are a little iffy. You can't expect too much out of them, but at the same time, you kind of try to. As your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of our energy card. And we have an Expedition uniform. A Hatterene, Falafi, Shuppet, Kubfu, Blitzel out in the ocean, a Quellfish, Galarian Slowpoke, Reverse Hollow is a Delibird, and a Hollow Rare Lycanroc. Not too bad, but not too great on the first pack. At least it was a Hollow Rare. Second pack. All this noise, man. There's our code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of the energy. And we have Justified Gloves. Lucky Energy. Porygon 2. Ghastly. Ladybug. Porygon. A Swirlix. Sneasel playing in the snow with an Abomasnow. Our Reverse Hollow is a Castform and a non-hollow rare Weezing. What do you think the chances we're pulling that Blaziken today, Snorlax?
It's not happening.
Oh, no, not very high. I don't think so either. It's got a very difficult pull rate. I would be very happy if we got lucky for it, but we'll see. Karma Mabel. Probably butchered that, but that's fine. Skrilla Piercing. A Melanie. Bunsweet. We have our Kubfu again. Inkay. Diglett. Scorbunny. Reverse Hollow is an Aron. And a Gloudy non-hollow rare. Pretty cool art though. Even if it's not the alternate art, Blaziken, any kind of hit today really would be nice. It's a beautiful welcome back. Ooh, that back shredded. Here we are. 2, 3, 4. Get rid of our energy. And we have a Path to the Peak. A Drizzly. Dynatree Hill, Frufro, Diglett, Larvesta, Inkay, a Rockruff playing in the snow, Reverse Hollow Rare, Spiritomb is the Reverse Hollow, and a Silerex V Shadow Rider. I mean, it's technically a hit, but we've already got both of those actually, the Shadow Rider and the Ice Rider. Collection. So he's going to go in our discard pile for bulk. Here is our next code. 2, 3, 4. Energy. And we have a Carla. Haunter. A Fellery. Deerling. Galarian Slowpoke, Coughing, Yamask, Snorunt, Reverse Hollow Seviper, that's also a reverse rare, and a Kecleon non-hollow rare. I did not know that Survivor was rare in this set. That was a nice, easy open. Here's our code. Best of luck to everybody getting the codes if you play the online. Alright. Sorry about that. Ooh, there's something at the top. I can see it. We have Crushing Gloves, Honey, Impact Energy, Ghastly, another Kubfu, Hatini, Sobble, Bun Sweet, a Reverse Hollow Lyron, ooh, Full Art Galarian Rapidash. We do not have that one for the collection, so we are going to go ahead and sleeve that one up. Should have been prepared for the sleeves, just in case. But it wouldn't be one of my videos if I was not prepared. There we go. Not a big fan of these new sleeve styles that they do because it's got that weird glare on them. But that's still a really nice card. Put you in our pool pile. Galarian Rapidash is going to win for the day, and I'm okay with that. That's a full art. It's a very nice card too. So, alright. Here is your code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of the energy. And we have a Fall Crystal, Brawly, Cilio, Garoki, Mayreep, Rockruff, Swirlix, Lapras, Reverse Rare, or Reverse Hollow is a Fall Crystal again, and a Hatterene Hollow Rare. Not too shabby. Let's go ahead and get into our last pack. Last pack magic, what are the chances? My guess is probably not. But that's okay. Here is our code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of this. I don't know why I was showing the energy card. It's been a while. It's been a while. Fall Crystal. Fiona Feeney, Whirlipede, Spill, Hatini, Rockruff, Shuppet, Castform, Reverse Hollow Flanny, and it's a Viper, non-hollow rare. So we have the non-hollow rare and the reverse rare for Viper. Rapidash can take front and center on that. That is our best pull of the day. I'm happy with it because, like I said, we didn't have the card for the collection, so I'm very pleased. But that's going to do it in today's video. I'm hoping to get some more inventory here soon so we can keep this rolling like I said in the last one. Snorlax, kind words for the day.
Let's go out and have a great week and make some memories.
Closing out on some wise words of wisdom. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. Once again, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe is greatly appreciated, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.